Patchy fog after midnight. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. Winds and seas higher and in near thunderstorms. The marine forecast for New York Harbor, including Raritan Bay. For this afternoon, southwest winds around 5 knots, becoming south early, then increasing to 10 to 15 knots late. Waves 1 foot or less. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms early, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms. And for tonight, south winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming southwest 5 to 10 knots after midnight. Waves 1 foot or less. Showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Patchy fog after midnight. Visibility 1 to 3 nautical.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 391, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Staten Island, Rockland, and Westchester, and the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, New York Harbor, Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory for hazardous seas in effect from 6 p.m. this evening through Friday afternoon.